Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is major non-NATO ally. Why in news? Republican Congressman Andy Biggs has recently reintroduced a bill in the US House of Representatives seeking to revoke Pakistan's status as a major non-NATO ally. In 2004, President George W. Bush granted Pakistan the status of a major non-NATO ally during the Afghanistan war. About major non-NATO ally. A major non-NATO ally is a designation granted by the US to countries that maintain strategic partnerships with the US Armed Forces without being members of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Although this status does not include a mutual defense agreement like NATO membership, it provides access to various military and financial benefits unavailable to other non-NATO countries. The MNNA status is granted to countries from South Korea to Argentina, depending upon US strategic interests. The MNNA status was first created in 1987. The initial MNNAs were Australia, Egypt, Israel, Japan, and South Korea. Currently, there are 20 MNNA nations spread across 4 continents, 11 in Asia, 4 in Africa, 3 in South America, and 2 in Oceania. Benefits of MNNA status. It permits firms of a country to bid on certain US government contracts for maintenance, repair, or overhaul of Department of Defense equipment outside the continental US. Makes a country eligible for certain joint counter-terrorism research and development projects. Allows DoD to enter into cooperative R&D projects with the country to improve conventional defense capabilities on an equitable cost-sharing basis. Makes a nation eligible to buy depleted uranium ammunition. Makes a country eligible for expedited processing of export licenses of commercial satellites, their technologies, components, and systems. Why US bill targets Pakistan's ally status? The legislation requires the US President to certify Pakistan's designation as a major non-NATO ally only if Pakistan conducts substantial military operations against the Haqqani network's safe havens and restricts their freedom of movement within its borders. It mandates Pakistan to take clear steps to prevent the Haqqani network from using its territory as a safe haven. Additionally, Pakistan must actively cooperate with the Afghan government to curb militant movements along the Afghan-Pakistan border. Without these measures, the certification cannot be issued. About NATO. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization is an intergovernmental military alliance formed in 1949. It was established with the primary goal of providing collective defense against potential aggression, particularly from the Soviet Union during the Cold War era. There are currently 32 members. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about major non-NATO ally. A major non-NATO ally is a designation granted by the EU. The MNNA status was first created in 1987. The MNNA status makes a nation eligible to buy depleted uranium ammunition. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.